Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with y'all how I repurpose furniture in our home, mainly in the master bedroom because I'm trying to get this all ready for baby. I am pregnant with baby number 4 and this house only has 3 bedrooms, so this baby is going to be living in our room. Our room will be the master room / nursery. So it's a perfect excuse for me to finally get this room the way I want it. It's not going to be totally done today. Today's main goal is getting this filing cabinet sanded down and painted and distressed, and also my dresser. So I'm going to be showing y'all my process for that in case you guys have some projects at home that you need some ideas for. But yeah, and then I'm going to show y'all kind of the vision I'm going for in this room. And then later on in my pregnancy, I will be doing a master bedroom home tour once I've gotten all the stuff in there for baby, and show y'all the finished product. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe right now, and make sure you hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss any of my next videos. Alright y'all, so I'm getting ready to sand and paint this. This is a filing cabinet. I've had it since I was like 16 years old. It's very old, but I'm going to paint it, and it's going to be going on this wall. This whole thing over here is going to be changed, but I thought I would do like a before video. I totally forgot to do this, and this room is a mess, so it's just going to be a super messy before video, picture, whatever you want to call it. Oh god. So like I said, this right here is going to go up against this wall. Right now this is all we have. There's Abel. The bed is a mess because I'm trying to put new sheets and bedding on here, so disregard all the stuff on the bed. But obviously this is the side with the bed and the nightstands. I will have something up above the bed. And then more junk that I moved from the shelf that was up here. And then this mirror, this round mirror from Target, is something that we're going to be putting up in this room also. And the dresser behind it I'm also going to be painting to match the filing cabinet. So dresser and the filing cabinet will get painted. And I gotta watch my Pretty Little Liars while I do it. My favorite thing to put on in the background while I'm doing things. So hopefully y'all kind of get the gist of this room here. It is an absolute chaos mess, but when we have everything in here, everything done, it's gonna look gorgeous. Trying to get it all ready for baby number 4 because he's gonna be in here with us for a while. Especially because we don't have another room in this house to make into a nursery. So this is going to be the master / nursery for me and baby boy. Bubby, are you going to help me? Yeah? Okay. Gotta get some gloves on and get working.
family here and want to help you.
You laying with mommy? You haven't laid with mommy in a long time. You used to be a little baby and you used to lay in the bed with mommy. Easy Saturday morning in bed, waiting on Hubs to come home. He left really early to go play disc golf with his dad, I think, or friends. I don't know. He left to get out of the house. The boys have been hanging out. Abel was in the bed with me this morning. It was so nice. And it's just so comfy. I don't want to get up. But baby girl is in the bathtub because she had pee all over herself, all over her PJs. Mama, what are you doing? What are you doing in there? Oh, yeah? Yeah? Oh, yeah? Now I'm just waiting on hubby to come home. He's supposed to be picking me up some coffee. He's being really sweet about it because he hates going to Starbucks to get any coffee. He hates having to pay for coffee. He always calls it fancy coffee. He's like, I don't want to be buying this fancy, expensive coffee. But I used to always drink my coffee at home. I got really used to it and I loved my creamer and the whole deal. And this pregnancy, I crave Starbucks coffee so badly. So it's been a long time since I've done this, but I think I've gone to get Starbucks like almost every day. But it's like, nothing else is cutting it. I could drink regular coffee from home and still want a Starbucks coffee. So I knew he was already out and I said, on your way home, will you pick me up one? He said yes, so we'll see when he gets here. Hopefully he got the right one.
Bigger?
Why do you keep grinding those teepees? Huff.
No.
What are you doing? No. Sit down. No.
Oh my. She is beautiful. Congrats, you guys. Have your hands.
So hubby pulled the filing cabinet into the garage. I've got my sander here ready. I'm about to get my mask on and then get to work on this. I'm not trying to sand this down too much. I just want to give it a little bit of a distressed look. As you can see, some of this has already like chipped up just from the kids banging on it, which I'm cool with because that's kind of the look I'm going for. Is I want it to look like it's been worn in and messed up. So I am using, I am going to use a lighter sanding paper, really light, so that way I'm not taking chunks off, and if I really want to go a little bit deeper, I just go over that area a couple times. Little tip for y'all, don't go too rough with the sanding paper at first. You can always you know, put a rougher one on later if you realize it's not doing the job, or go over the same area a couple times to get the look that you want without taking too much of the paint off or even the wood off. So this is what it looks like for now, and now I'm gonna get started.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
So this is what I've got so far. I'm actually loving this because I didn't put a super thick coat on top of this black paint. I love how just a little bit of this sanding has really pulled that color through. And if you, it's hard to see in this camera, but you can almost see like wood streaks underneath the white. And then we've got, you know, a couple chunks. Of course, the corners, and then down there, and then not forgetting the legs. Another little tip is anywhere that you think your hands would be touching this over years and years and years is where you want to distress the most, because obviously once you've touched something, like for example the handle, somebody has pulled this handle in and out so many times, the paint is going to get worn off or smoothed out. And so that's what I try to do. And then just little nicks here and there just to give it that effect. Again, on this side, got a little chunk out, more chunks right here, you know, down here, maybe where it would get like scuffed up from people running into it with your shoes or something like that. Just think about that kind of stuff when you're doing it. Again, I really like how this looks right now. Just enough distressing, so it's still white, but it still has a little bit of that old feel to it. Obviously doing all of the corners and the edges. Yeah, I really like it. So I'm gonna clean it off now and probably get ready to get it inside, figure out where I want it. Another reason why, I mean, I love the way this looks on top, but I didn't do a whole lot more than this because I'm actually going to be getting a changing basket for the baby to go up here for now in the master bedroom, because like I said, the baby's going to be living in the room with us for a while, so I need a changing table in there. So instead of getting a changing table, I'm just going to put the pad on top of here, or the basket. So I don't really care about how perfect the top looks because it's going to be covered. And I'm sorry y'all, I didn't even think about turning the fan off, but I turned the fan on over there facing the opposite direction, so that way when I'm sanding, if any of the particles come up, I'm not breathing it in, it's flowing through the fan away from me. All right y'all, so that is my process for getting my filing cabinet and my dresser done. I will say though, I ended up painting the dresser white. I wanted to see what it looked like with that natural wood color, but because it is a crappier dresser, it's not made with really good wood, it did not look very good. And it's kind of on the smaller side, so that made it look even worse. So I did end up painting it, but you guys will see that in my next video. Right after this one comes out, I will have the next video that's out will be an update in the master bedroom, the dresser, what it looks like now, and the filing cabinet, and a couple of other things. I'm going to keep y'all updated as we go, as we get more things in. But yeah, so that was the whole process. I hope y'all got inspired to do something, repurpose some furniture that's in your own home. It's super fun. I really love doing that. I do a lot of this in my house all the time. You get bored with pieces, and instead of buying new ones, you can always paint them, stain them, sand them down, distress them, all of that stuff. So it's really fun to do. If you have any projects going on right now, let me know down below. I would love to know what you're working on. But yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed this. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you here on my little channel. And I will see y'all next time. Bye.